Hey guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper. No, today is actually Sunday. We don't receive any newspaper. It's the edition of Saturday. Yesterday, Saturday, August the 27th, 2022. Yes, it's weekend. And I've already solved today two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. And now it's time for the Tectonic. Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 5087. 5087. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Should be an easy one. And of course it's indicated with a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes. I see here a dual box, here also dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. Here also a dual box, the 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Then the following question, can we see here the triple box or boxes? I see here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this one also, the box near the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Here also 4 or a 5, but we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. Triple box, quadra boxes then. Following question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here only 1 quadra box. A quadra box in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Well, the 5 is already filled in. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 3. Alright, so this box has the same name as that box. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. The L shape. And I believe the last shape, that is this shape. Let me draw the shape here. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Only 5, because maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be a 3? So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this shape. For the numbers 1 in the 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then. How about, let me see, these are 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 in this area could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 4, but also those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a 4 here. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. All right. Then let me see. Yeah. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. And I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, and can be a 5. You have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay, this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Alright. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box L shape should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. All right. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3, should be there 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here also 2 numbers left in this L shape quadra box for the numbers 1 and 2. Well, we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for the number, in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Oh, let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, and this box can also not be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. Well, let me solve these 3 boxes. Need a 1. Well, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 2. Well, I do not know where the 2 could be everywhere. And need a 5. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Overlook some. Oh, 2 and a 3. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 3. And that box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. This box can be 8-2. That box can be 8-2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These are 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be 4, so the 4. It could be here, could be there. A 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 4 and a 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Well. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we will meet again, but when, I do not know. If I have the spare time, I will solve this. Yeah, this Samurai Sudoku. Well, need to find some time, spare time, to solve this. But we solved these three puzzles in the additional of the yesterday edition. So who knows, maybe we will meet again. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. Maybe later on in the evening, the Samurai Sudoku. I cannot promise you, just like last week, need to find some spare time. Otherwise, have a great and fantastic Sunday and see you tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.